Hello everyone, today in this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily forget a Wi-Fi network on your Apple iPhone. So in order to begin, open settings application of your iPhone. Once you're in the settings, you'll have to find the option Wi-Fi. So once you find it, you can click on it. Now you can see an edit option on the top right corner of this interface. So click on the edit. Now it will ask for your password of your iPhone. So once that's done, you can see all the saved networks on your iPhone. So in order to remove a network, what you can do is click on the negative symbol of any of the Wi-Fi network that you want to forget. Click on it, and now you can see an option called delete. You can click on delete, and once that's done, you can click on the done option. So if you click on the cancel, it won't be saved and the Wi-Fi network won't be forgotten. So you can click on done, and it will ask to remove Wi-Fi network. It will ask for confirmation, so we'll click on the remove. Okay, so the next time that Wi-Fi network is on range, you'll have to type in the password. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please do like, share, subscribe, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.